All right, class, you've finished the final review part 2, which was over Unit 4, Lesson 1. Let's talk about some of the answers. Since so many of these answers were very technical in terms of you may have misspelled something or capitalized something or forgot an accent mark, what have you, I'm just going to go through the quiz itself and talk about it and give you some answers. And you can check the review, the answer key, to see what the exact answer should have been. But for this particular, the first section, most people were forgetting to say You would say either un or una, unos or unas. So it would be un because dress is vestido. It'd be un vestido rojo. Remember, in Spanish, adjectives usually come after the nouns that they modify. So un vestido rojo. Some purple shoes. This is another indefinite article. Some purple shoes. Well, shoes is zapatos. So it'd be unos zapatos. And then purple would be morados. We've learned morados, morado for purple. Some of you, if you use Google Translate, you get purpura or something like that. There's other ways in different places to say purple, but we would say, for the sake of our testing and our textbook, unos zapatos morados. Don't forget that the adjectives and the articles always have to agree with the noun that they're modifying. Then we have the yellow shirt. The yellow shirt would be, because it's singular, it would just be el. And I'm sorry, camisa is feminine. La t-shirt. Camiseta is t-shirt. Anaranjada. Sorry, I was having a hard time spelling that word. La camiseta anaranjada, etc. So I won't go through the rest of these, but that's how that goes. Next page. ¿Qué ropa llevas en el verano? What clothes do you wear in the summer? Llevo los pantalones cortos would be the word there. ¿Qué llevas cuando tienes calor? What do you wear when you tienes calor, when you're hot, when you have heat? You wouldn't wear a jacket or a winter hat. You would wear a camiseta and pantalones cortos. ¿De qué color son los jeans? What color are the jeans? Notice son los jeans, so the answer would be son. Not azul, because it's jeans. It's got to be plural. Son azules would be the correct answer. ¿Cuánto cuesta el sombrero? The answer would be cuesta. It costs. Not cuánto. It would be cuesta $29. Notice the answer. The question was cuesta, so the answer is also going to be cuesta. ¿Dónde piensas comprarlo? Where are you thinking of buying it? Lo is referring to the sombrero. You could either say, remember that lo could either go in front of the conjugated verb or attached to the infinitive if you have an infinitive in it, and we don't have an infinitive in the answer. So I buy it would be lo compro en la tienda de ropa. You'd put lo back in front of the conjugated verb because I don't have an infinitive anymore in my answer. I say I buy it. Now you could have said pienso comprarlo, but that's not one of your answers. Next, ¿tienes mala suerte o buena suerte cuando el gorro tiene un precio bueno? Do you have good luck or bad luck? Bad luck or good luck when the hat has a good price? Tengo buena suerte. I have good luck. It's obviously you didn't understand the question if you answered yes or no. That was not a yes or no question. La tienda cierra a las 5 de la tarde. The store closes at 5 in the afternoon. This was a tricky one because these answers don't really seem to make sense. But the only one that does make sense is tienes razón. You're right. I guess you could have said, I want to pay in euros, because maybe you were standing at the register about ready to pay and someone said, hey, the store closes at 5. And then you say, I want to pay in euros for some reason. Or maybe you were standing there and you had something in your hand. You said, it costs a lot. But tienes razón is probably the best answer, void of any context for that question. Next, blank cuesta la ropa en el centro comercial. ¿Cuánto? How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Hopefully you remember those Señor Woolley videos for that one. ¿Qué blank tú? La falda negra o la falda rosada? What do you think? What do you understand? What do you want? What do you prefer? Well, this could have worked, but it's actually would be quieres, not quieres. So that's not it. So the best answer is prefieres. ¿A qué hora blank ellos ir de compras? At what time are they thinking of going? Would be what you're looking for here. So piensan. Alberto prefiere comprar unos calcetines nuevos. He prefers to buy some new socks. ¿Dónde prefiere comprarlos? Referring to the calcetines nuevos. ¿Dónde prefiere? Where does he prefer to buy them? No escucho bien en el teléfono. No te entiendo. I don't understand you. No te entiendo. I don't hear well on the telephone. I don't understand you. No te entiendo. Llevo blank para jugar al fútbol. I wear not jeans, not a dress, not a blouse, una camiseta. El gorro es de color café. Es marrón. Marrón is brown as well as café. Me gusta la falda. I like the skirt. Tiene los colores de un pingüino. That would be black and white. Blanco y negro. Necesito comprar una blusa. I need to buy a blouse. Voy de compras. Remember, voy de compras is that phrase. I'm going shopping. Voy de compras. Ir de compras is to go shopping. Vamos de compras. We go shopping, etc. Tú tienes blank. Tienes calor means you're hot, you're cold, you're lucky, or you're right. Tienes mucho dinero. You are lucky. You have a lot of money. Unless you were bragging about having a lot of money, then I'd say you're right. You have a lot of money. But probably the best answer is suerte. La tienda tiene que blank a las 8. It needs to, notice I need an infinitive, so either querer or cerrar, and querer doesn't make sense. Cerrar, to close, makes sense. El verano no necesito blank un gorro. I don't need to buy. Again, necesito comprar. You need to use the infinitive because you've conjugated this already, piggyback verbs. Es diciembre y tengo frío. También llevo jeans. ¿Cuál estación es? Well, it's December and I'm cold. Also, I'm wearing jeans. What season is it? Well, you might be thinking, well, just, well, actually, no, this is, of course, in December, it's cold and it's the spring, or it's the winter in December. However, I could have said it's December and I'm hot. Where am I? Or, I'm in Argentina and it's December. Remember, in Argentina, since it's in the southern hemisphere, their summer is our winter and vice versa. So be careful for that in case there's a question like that on the test. Es abril en Chicago y hace viento y sol. ¿Cuál estaciones? It's April in Chicago and it's windy and sunny. What season is it? That would be the spring, la primavera. And I'll leave this stuff, not talk about that. You will not have culture on this final exam. All right, good luck. Hopefully you did well.